So first of all, what is disaster? So let us see in this lesson what is disaster. So today we are going to study the chapter number 4, that is disaster management. Okay. So first of all, students, you should know what is the meaning of disaster. So sudden event that takes place in the surrounding that causes huge loss to the life and the property, that is called as disaster. ओके, सडन आता है. ओके, कोई भी डिजास्टर हमको बता के नहीं आता है कि आज जोर से बारिश होने वाली है, कल ये होने वाला है. ओके, डिजास्टर. ओके, the sudden event that leads to the huge loss of life and property is known as disaster. Disaster are of two types, that is man-made disaster and natural disasters. Okay, so in man-made disaster we can have the examples such as earthquake, cyclone, then droughts, floods, fires, okay, storms, volcanic eruptions. So all these are the examples of the natural disasters. Okay, natural disasters. So student, here is one activity in the textbook, page number 27. Classify the following disaster in the man-made or natural disaster. So आपको यहाँ पे classify करना है कि whether the given disaster is of which type. So fire is an man-made disaster, earthquake is a natural disaster, then leakage of chemical gases. So again this will be the man-made disaster. Storms will be natural disaster. Floods will be natural disaster. Tsunami will also be natural disaster. Bomb explosion, uh, collapsing of building, that comes under earthquake. So bomb explosion, collapse of building, war, these are the man-made disaster, whereas forest fire is a natural disaster. So in this way you can classify these different types of disasters and write it, make a table and write it in the नोटबुक. ओके, साइंस के बुक में आपको ये लिखना है. एक्टिविटी बहुत सिंपल है, सिर्फ मैन मेड डिजास्टर और नेचुरल डिजास्टर को क्लासीफाई करना है. ओके, then we are going to study about the natural disasters. Okay, so natural disaster can be anything: earthquake, volcanic eruption, floods, droughts, or cyclones. So today we will see our first topic, that is earthquake. Okay, now what is the meaning of the earthquake? The movement in the interior of the earth's crust. There are some seismic movements, सिस्मिक वेव्स होते हैं जो अर्थ के क्रस्ट के अंदर होते हैं, विच कॉजेस शेकिंग और क्रैकिंग अप ऑन द अर्थ. दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ वाइब्रेशन और क्रैकिंग द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज नोन एज अर्थक्वेक. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ये पिक्चर में, इस पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई दे सकता है कि क्रैक्स गए हैं कैसे रोड को. सो दैट इज ड्यू टू द क्वेकिंग ऑफ द earth's crust. Okay, shaking of the earth's crust. Because of that, the earth, because of earthquake or because of the vibration of the earthquake, there has been cracks on the road. Okay, और आपने यहाँ पे भी देखा रहेगा कि ड्यू टू द शेकिंग ऑफ द buildings collapse down. So these are all the examples of the earthquake. So such vibration, such seismic vibration, some seismic waves are generated in the earth's crust, which causes cracking, shaking. Okay, this vibration causes quacking or shaking of the earth's crust, that is called as earthquake. And due to this earthquake, what happens? There is collapsing of the buildings, cracks on the road. Okay, so there is huge damage to the properties and the lives of the people. Okay, students, here you can see the picture of the earth effects of the earthquake. You can see the house has collapsed down, and everywhere you can see the mud. So student, one more thing I would like to tell you. In July 2014, the village Malin in Ambegaon Taluka, that is Pune district, was destroyed in few minutes due to landslide. अभी landslide क्या होता है? Landslide is caused due to the heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall की वजह से जो बड़े बड़े mountains होते हैं, they become weak with the help of waterfall. And what happens? These mountains come in a huge amount like a waterfall on the uh, on the down of the mountain hills, and due to that many of the peoples has lost or got buried under the soil, and they lost their lives in this disaster. So Malin is one of the disaster, that is a landslide disaster in which many peoples got buried under the soil. The whole village was destroyed. Whole village was not seen after this disaster. So all people got buried under this disaster in 2014 July. Okay. So this is one of the incident that we can remember. Then in 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused due to the heavy rainfall in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu also there was heavy rainfall. Because of that, many people lost their life also. Okay, in 2005, in Mumbai also, many people had lost their life due to the heavy rainfalls. So these are some of the disasters that are reminding us about how threatening the disaster can be and how much effect it can be affect on our lives. Okay, so now how can we how this earthquake affect us? So the infrastructure changes due to the earthquake, that is the cracks on the buildings, roads, railways, bridges. This can be seen. So there is damage to the property with the because of the effect of the earthquake. The earthquake can even make a change to flow in the different direction. So much power the earthquake has. The river direction of flowing of the river can also be changed. Okay, and there is huge loss to the life and the property. Let's move towards the next disaster, that is floods. Now, as you know, students, 2 days we are seeing that there is heavy rainfall. So, whenever there is a heavy rainfall, that time what happens? The water gets accumulated in many places. Okay, which causes flood. So, on the road there is too much of water. River is overflowing. So, these type of things we are able to see during the floods. So, when there is heavy rainfall, there is a situation or possibility of floods. So the water which is overflowing from the road and surrounding also causes floods. Okay, so you can see many of the gutters are choked up, drainage lines are choked up in the rainy season, and the water start flowing on the road and the walking areas. So it is very much dangerous. So here you can see how much the floods can destroy the drainage system. Okay, it can spoil the bodies of the water. Okay, it can carry many animals and peoples who cannot float in the water. So much power the floods are having, the water currents are having. Buildings can even get destroyed with the help of the floods. Okay, floods can cause soil erosion. Soil erosion we have studied in first chapter, that is natural disaster. Okay, Soil erosion कब होता है? जब there is heavy rainfall. At that time, along with the soil, the nutrients of the soil are also washed away with the help of water. That time the soil erosion takes place. Okay, so flood is a positively impact on the environment which contains the nutrients of the, which destroys the nutrient of the soil. Now what are the effects of the floods? There is huge loss to the life and property, so property also get destroyed. Then the life, such as if animals don't know to swim, what will happen? They will be taken away along with the water currents. Then soil erosion takes place. Okay, and even after the floods, there is a possibility of spreading disease. Epidemic disease can be spread due to the flood. So human health can also be affected due to the due to the floods. So after floods, what will happen? There will be water everywhere. Afterwards, you know that the water, in water mosquitoes grow, so mosquitoes spread disease, different types of disease. So there is very much loss to the life and the properties, and even our health is also affected due to the floods. Storms are the high or low pressure that is exerted in the atmosphere, which causes change in the weather, which result into the strong wind or storms. So that are storms. Okay, so we can say that cyclone also. Now what are the effects of the storm? If there is great damage in the storm, what happens? There is soil erosion, electric supply is stopped, then loss of life and property, destruction in transport and communication. Okay, these things we can see. And if the storms are seen in the water, you can see that if any person is there in the water sailing the boat or a ship, okay, is there in the water, and that time if the storm comes, the waves that are created in such a high pressure that it is so much heavy that it will get attracted all the things, and the person may lose their lives also. Okay, so this is about the storms. So basically the air pressure which increases or decreases, which causes change in the weather, that is known as storms. And what are the effects of the storms? The life and property can be destroyed. Then electric supply can be disrupted, disruption of the electric supply. Then transport and communication is also stopped in this condition. Okay, this is about the